Okay, this is how to install the bearing in a hub with homemade tools. So if you go to the shop, they will ask you like around 175 bucks. So if you buy the tools, it's 100 something, same. So just go to the Home Depot, buy these tools. You need two washer. One of these for the outer ring of the bearing, and the nut bowl, two nut bowl, same thing, two washer, and two of these. You can find it out, or maybe you can find it better than that. Try to find that one. And you need one rod steel. You need steel. Steel is enough to compress the bearing. It's too hard. In two of these, two of these, two of these, two of these, and this one for the inner bearing circle. You can find it out. Go and bring get a first you have to buy the bearing. The only thing you need is bearing. When you go to the shop, go to the Home Depot, take a bearing with you, measure it with the perfect sides, inner and outer. Then you can use anything you want. So this is the simple method to compress the bearing in and out. Same thing like if you buy the tools, it's same thing. This is the one. The only thing you have to do is like set it up with your bearing. My bearing is 207 Honda Elantra, so I think almost same as like Kai. So I put it in. It's all almost, it's good to go now. See, nothing's wrong with the bearing. I put a new hub, new bearing, and it's good to go. So this is what I got from Home Depot. One, two for the inner bearing, for the outer bearing, two of these, two of these, two of these, two of these, and two of these. That's it. You don't need anything more than that. So this one is less than $1. This one's, I don't know, free maybe. And this one is $5. And this one is $5 something. So almost everything. This one, how much is it? $1 something. So total I pay like 20 something. So cheap. So they're done all. And see, it's all good. Okay, take care.